Greetings and welcome to week 4 of ITCE3200. These slides cover, this video recording covers slides 1 to, I think, 7. Okay, so what we're going to be doing this week is learning about informational interviews. So that's the next big assignment that you have, and it's worth 20%. So we'll talk about what are informational interviews, why would you do one, how will you find somebody to interview, and how to do some research to find somebody to interview. And then you will also be introduced to a reflection for 5% that needs to be submitted by October the 4th at 6 p.m. And that's to get you started on this assignment, to encourage you to get started on this assignment sooner than later. And then we'll prepare some questions and practice them and learn how to write a script to use when asking someone for an interview. And on your own at home this week, what I want you to look at are some slides with some links to videos on how to make a good first impression. So, what is an informational interview? So you can click through here and you'll be prompted to log into the library Films on Demand database using your banner number and your network password, and then you can search informational interviewing and networking and find this video, or the link actually should go directly to the video. So this video gives you an overview of what they are and why to do them. They're primary research, and by that I mean you are interviewing one actual person to find out their experience about doing something. And we typically conduct an informational interview in the job seeking process, to learn more about a specific job or job title, or to learn more about a specific industry or business even, to find out what they're like. So it's primary research, and I wrote pros and cons. And the reason for that is I want you to be mindful that when you're interviewing somebody, this is one person's perspective and one person's opinion, which means it may not be an accurate reflection of everybody that holds that position title or everybody that works in that industry. So why do them? So take a look at this slide. Okay, I'll give you some time to read those. And like I said, the pros and cons about doing primary research. So the con, it may not be representative, but the pro is the person actually does the job and should be able to give you some good insights about doing the job. And that concludes our first video for this week.